how to get Excalibur in Terraria. So you cannot find this sword sitting in a chest. You must craft it entirely from scratch in hard mode. So first defeat the wall of flesh in the underworld to progress your world into hard mode. Then you summon and kill at least one of the 3 mechanical bosses, the Destroyer, the Twins, or Skeleton Prime. And if you want the fastest route, target the Destroyer using high damage piercing weapons. As you can see, I have the Destroyer right here and use piercing weapons just like that to finish off the Destroyer quickly. But of course I have the Zenith, so it was pretty easy. And upon defeat, these bosses drop hallowed bars right here, as you can see. I don't know why it's there. Let me just get it. Just like that. And now, as you can see, I now have access to some hallowed bars. And you need to gather exactly 12 hallowed bars from the boss loot. Then go to a mithril anvil or an orichalcum anvil, so whichever one will work, and forge the weapon right here. So as you can see, we have the Excalibur right there. So let's craft it just like that, and I'm going to place it right there. And this sword swings incredibly fast. And you could also go to a Goblin Tinkerer to edit out the prefix. So we could set it to Legendary, which is the best one for swords or weapons. So we have the Legendary right here. And this one is light, so find your Goblin Tinkerer so that you can change the prefix. And just do note that you should not throw this away or sell it once it gets outclassed by later gear, since you will strictly need the Excalibur later in your playthrough to craft the true Excalibur, which is mandatory ingredient for forging the endgame Terror Blade. And that is how you basically get the Excalibur in Terraria.